Whichever track you select, the H2O Go promises laughter and may leave your sides aching. The creators affirm it's more than just a ride in a massive balloon. It's also a balance test on one of 4 tracks. The Sidewinder track, for instance, considered the world's longest, invites you to enter a water-filled balloon with friends and cover a 350 m distance. Organizers welcome even 5-year-old kids on this ride. If you change your mind, you can opt for a trip to Hobbiton in New Zealand. Our collection concludes with POWERSLIDE, a German company offering roller skates designed for off-road use. These skates are ideal for intense urban freeride skating, providing optimal force transmission through a metal frame. The reinforced fiberglass shell ensures better protection, and the cuff is adjustable in both flex and height. The MyFit Recall memory foam lining adapts to the foot's shape for a perfect fit. Traditional lacing is complemented by a ratchet buckle. A pair of Next Core Black 80 skates is priced at $195. Imagine being the New Zealand charity, Live More Awesome, aiding those with depression. How can you maximize visibility? Utilize leaflets, emails, or TV ads? No, instead, participate in the Anti-Depression Festival. Showcase the world's longest water slide at 650 meters with a 92-meter height difference. Speeds exceeding 50 km/h can be reached, and volunteers who helped construct the slide found the most rewarding aspect to be the smiles of those zooming down. British specialists created a motorized diving canoe during World War II, essentially a mini submarine for 1 or 2 people. The name Sleeping Beauty may surprise many. This development inspired Dutch startup ORTEGA Submersibles, who modernized the idea. The Dutch version allows a quick dive to a depth of up to 95 meters. On the surface, the vehicle reaches about 16 kmph, while underwater, it peaks at 19 kmph. The mini submarines run on electricity, and the power reserve of the 3-seater model is 148 kilometers. The vehicle caters to the interests of archaeologists, oceanologists, and diving enthusiasts alike. We've reached Darwin in Australia to explore CROCOSAURUS COVE. You can feel an adrenaline rush by immersing yourself in an extraordinary aquarium, the Cage of Death. Spending 15 minutes in the cage is an unforgettable experience. Staying calm when 5-meter-long crocodiles swim around requires nerves of steel. These giants can bite with a force of 3 tons and are quite nimble when grabbing food. The tickets for 2 people amount to $187. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.